All right. I want you to watch this video real quick just so that you know how to set up your paper for today's performance matters. So at the top, I want you to write your name, the class that you're in, and then today's date. Today is 9/9/2025, September 9th. And you can just put performance matters number 3 so that if we see your paper in the basket, we know what it is that we're looking for. Okay, so just some quick tips. I expect you to go back and show all of your thinking, but just to make sure that we're all on the same page. For number 1, there are people in the story doing something. And so I am going to want you to use the apes for that. I'm going to want you to analyze. I'm going to want you to plan. I'm going to want you to estimate, solve. I'm just going to kind of change it a little bit here because this problem is, I think, where you have to pick 2 actions. So you'll probably have to do 2 operations. So for this problem, just make sure that you write down what it is that you're looking for. I want you to go back and read it yourself, but I believe you are looking for the total cupcakes he bought is blank. So just making sure that you go back and read that yourself, making sure that you understand what the question is asking. Please make sure that you are drawing a picture and that you're labeling. Draw and label everything. Think about the strategies that we've talked about in class. Okay, moving on to number 2. Number 2 is a GMA style problem. So making sure that you write it out carefully. You've got 36 divided by 3 times bracket, parentheses, 4 times 6, parentheses, plus, parentheses, 12 minus 4, parentheses, and brackets. So using your notes, thinking about what it is that you're looking for, count your actions, make your plan, and follow your plan. Okay? All right, moving on to number 3. Number 3 is a question about prime and composite. So the tips here are to list numbers from the table and label them prime or composite. Okay, so that's what I would expect you to do so that you can be able to come up with a good answer for that question. All right, I'm going to turn the paper over for question number 4. Question number 4 is a question about expanded form or expanded notation. And what I'd like you to do on this one is please use your PVC. We had this paper out with our plastic sleeve yesterday. I would highly suggest that you write that number here, and then you're able to expand that number out appropriately and find the matching pieces in the performance matter. Go back and check every piece. You don't want to miss any of the pieces. And then finally, number 5. Number 5 is another question where you need to find 2 answers. Find 2 answers. So please make sure that you find both of those. I would use the PVC again just to make sure that you're writing it correctly and you're able to locate the two answers that match what it is that you've written down on your PVC. When I say the PVC, I mean the place value tool. Okay, now that you've got your paper kind of set up, go ahead and get started in the Performance Matters. It's in the Schoology folder.